Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A05 and A05s. So here is my A05s and to take a screenshot we have two ways. The first one and the classic one is to push and hold for a second, volume down and the power button like this. And here is my screenshot, and from here you can edit it, or you can share it, or if you don't like it you can delete it. Okay, now let's do it again. Volume down and power, just press for a second, and here is the screenshot. Okay, now the second way, just go to the top bar and swipe again. Now go to the right and here tap on the plus sign. And here in the top we have take screenshot. Just push it long on this icon and move it here, and then just press done. And now tap on take screenshot, and from here you can enable or disable some features. So let's read. Delete after sharing from toolbar you can enable, and also hide status and navigation bars. Let's enable also this feature. And you can change the format. You can choose PNG or JPG. I will let JPG, then just press done. And now to take a screenshot, just tap on this icon, and here is my screenshot. So let's do it again. Just swipe to the top bar and take screenshot, and here is my screenshot. Now to see all these screenshots, just go to the gallery, and here there are. So it is very easy in my opinion. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.